Okay guys, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Muhammad Faisal. I'm with you with another video related to SAP ERP. This video is also related to supply chain area, that is warehouse management. And we will have a couple of videos related to this area because we will have three cases. So this is the first case, warehouse management. And these are the topics that we are going to cover under this. I will try to make the video as short as possible with all these possible topics that are mentioned over here. So again, my audience are of two types. Number one, those who are my students currently doing the course with me, and the other type are those who are not my student but they are my viewers and subscribers. So for you, I'm going to start this exercise now. And definitely first what we need, we have to be in the system. So we are already logged in. Now the first step that we have to perform is create a purchase order. Now this case is actually going to cover the process in which when uh, manufacturer or the not the customer, the business, when they order to the vendor, then what vendor will do, vendor will supply the item to the manufacturer. So this is the whole process. So in that detailed process, what we are going to do, we are going to create these things. This thing will be there, then receive goods activity will take place, and then these two things will happen. So these are the important points in it. But I will try to show you all the steps. So let's do the first one, that is related to create purchase order. Logistics, materials management, purchasing, purchase order, create, vendor supply plant known. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to and company code is also US00. Again, sometime it is like this. So if it is like this, what you have to do, you have to click here, open it, item overview, and then header. Then you have to enter those values. So first one is US00, then second one is N00, again capital small doesn't matter, and then again US00. Then what is required? You have to enter the purchase order PO. You have to select here as a standard PO, okay, and then you have to enter vendor. So in the exercise, they are mentioning that again, be careful that it is little bit deceiving that vendor is written here and the data related to vendor you have to enter here. So in the exercise, it is given you have to enter 103 and it's like this. So what we will do, we will remove this triple hash and put my GBI number. So my GBI number is 500. Then what they are saying, you have to go further and you have to enter the material. And what material they have given here under the material, they have given this kpad 1, and then they are saying again like this. So what you will do, you will replace this with your GBI number. So my GBI number is 500. 50 as a quantity. So we'll put 50. Then SD00 is the plant. See, previously plant was different. Now the plant is different. Why? Because the process is between two different entities. EG00 is the storage location. Okay. Then what next? US dollar is the price. So 40 currency I think will come automatically US dollar, or let's type. Date is 8 date from today. So where is the delivery date? Delivery date maybe somewhere here. Here. So today is 22nd. Make it 30 because 8 days they are saying. Nothing left. What you have to do? You will just press save and a number will be generated. Please note down that number. Like my number is 45, then I think 4 zeros, 5 zeros, 681. So this is my purchase order number. Now the next step that I have to do, they are saying display material inventory. So let's see how this thing will work. I'll go out. Now logistics, materials management, let me close purchasing so that you should not be confused. Logistics, materials management, inventory management. Under inventory management, there is environment. Under environment, there is stock. And under stock, there is stock overview. Now in that diagram, what you have to do, you have to search for the material that is KPAD 1. Again, you will replace triple hash with your GPI number. My GPI number is 500. And then you will execute. Now, what it is showing you whatever you have it now in the stock. 50 order is there. Okay. And you can see storage location is also there and plant is also there. Okay. And if you double click on this plant, you can get this detail. And you can see in this on order stock is 50. Means for this numbers, you already have the order. Okay. And then you can repeat this task for another material as well. I think we have already entered one item in the previous. No, we just missed one item in the previous purchase order. So, no problem. We are going to work with only one item. Let me go out from here. Let me check if we can change the purchase order. Under the purchase order, let's see, change. This is my order already. Let me just check. So this is the thing that you can learn. If you miss something, you can go not create, change. So this is the material that we missed. And for this material, how much the quantity they have given? Again, they are saying the same quantity in the same material and the same price. So what I am going to do, I am entering the same data that I have entered for the first row. And the other two things, plant, material group, plant is here, SD00, and storage location, trading goods, TD00, TG00. So now this has been updated. You can see the message, changes has been made. So this was the error I did it in the previous step. I fixed over here. So you can enter both the material at the same time and then you can perform this activity. So display material, this activity you can do 2 times to check both the materials. Now the third step is saying display material inventory value. What we will do, we will go again to logistics, materials management, under materials management, inventory management, and under inventory management, environment stock. Under stock, there is warehouse stock. Warehouse stock. Now, in this warehouse stock, what they are saying, the material KPAD 1. It's already coming. And KPAD 1 triple hash. So I replace it with my GBI ID and then execute. Now you can see this screen. You can see this screen. And in this screen, you can see all the items, all the materials showing over here. So you can repeat this activity by entering the other material and you can see again. So what does it mean? You did not receive this. You ordered it, but you did not receive it. So now the next step is you are going to do the receive goods activity. So in the receive goods activity, now what you are going to do, you will perform logistics, materials. So we'll go out from here. Okay. And now the step that you have to perform, logistics, materials management, inventory management. Under inventory management, now goods movement, then goods receipt. Under goods receipt, for purchase order, for purchase order, PO number known. PO number known. What you are going to do In the goods receipt purchase order user screen, change the material document drop down. So it should be like, and now what they are asking here that you enter the purchase order number here. So again in the exercise they are saying search it, but I will again recommend you don't go for search if you know the number. Directly goods receipt is here, purchase order is here. Just find out your purchase order number. What I'm going to do, I'm going to type my purchase order number that I know. Directly type that number here. My practice. And then press enter. Now you can see whatever the data is there in the purchase order comes over here. Now in this case, what we are asking, after your purchase order data comes up, select the checkbox in the OK column. And now see here again the same thing that we already did it in the materials management exercise, that if these rows, one of the row is not available, maybe the problem is that this tab is open. If this tab is open, then what happen? You face this problem. So close this one and you can, now they are saying quantity is 50 10 tg 00. Okay, and movement type is 101. So where is the movement type? Here movement type is 101. In this step, just you will press post and it will save. So you got the number 5, maybe 5 zeros and then 535 or maybe 6 zeros. Let me check. So now this is the receive goods step is done. Now similarly what they are asking you, you can review this display material inventory, and again when you perform this display material inventory, okay guys, so far we have done this step, these two steps, then this one, and now we have an option. We can directly go to these two steps to finish our exercise, because how you can perform this display material inventory, it is same. You can see these two and these two are same. So you can after creating this document you can check the inventory status. After creation of this document you can check the inventory status, and then you can go for running this step. So we will do this and then we will create these two steps. Okay, so let me go to the screen here. Let me go to the next step, that is run bin status report. So let's do this. Logistics execution. We'll have to go out from here. Logistics, under logistics execution, internal warehouse process. Internal warehouse process. Then bin and stock, display, and then bin status report. Where is this bin status report? Now here what you have to enter? You have to enter the warehouse number, storage bin. So where is this storage bin? Here. Warehouse number, you have to enter 100, and storage bin number STBN, then star. They are saying like this. So wherever you will find this, replace it with your GBI number. My GBI number is 500. And then execute. Now you can see this is showing you once you execute this, it is showing you in which they are mentioning you what is available and where it is available. Now let's go to the last two productive steps where we will create a transfer order and then we will confirm that transfer order. So what is the part? Logistics execution. Under logistics execution, what we are going to do, we will click on inbound process, and with inbound process, the next thing that you do is goods receipt for purchase order, goods receipt for purchase order, other transaction. Goods receipt for purchase order, other transaction, and then put away, and then create transfer order. Now these activities are going to happen from warehouse, means the vendor will perform these activities to put all these materials and transport to you. So create transfer order for material. Create transfer order and for material. Now what you are going to do here? Here they are saying enter 100 as warehouse number. So it's coming automatically. Material K-pad 1500. The 00 is my number. And SD00 as plant. SD00 as plant. Press enter. Now here, once you receive this, you are now on transfer requirement for material screen. And now what you have to do, you have to click in to in foreground. So to in foreground, in the transfer requirement material screen, you should see a line item describing the goods just received from your purchase order. The requirement number should be the same as the purchase order number. You should require either make sure that the line item is selected and click on this. So what you have to do, you have to select, this is already selected, and then you have to click on to in background. Now on this screen, maybe you are not able to find that option. So most probably it will be here, to in foreground. Okay. Now once you did this, the next thing that you have to do, for this, prepare for total listing, enter, copy your quantity 50 from palletization section. So what you have to do now, you have to enter some data here. So what data you are going to enter here? Under the item, see, under this it is already 50. So what they are saying, you have to copy this and put it in this area. So you can copy also or you can paste also. Then the other thing is that you have to make sure that the other two fields, like this type is 001 and then the next field is also 001. And then destination bin. Again here you will put the bin number STBN dash 1 dash your number, your GBI number. So my GBI number is 500. Okay. Then what next you have to do? Then you have to save. For here, for save, you have to click here on post. There is some error with this. Fuel quantities. Hmm. Error. Open quantity has to be here. This value should be 0. Open quantity should be 0. So what we can do, we can go back. Or let's exit. Yes. Perform this activity again. Go there to in foreground. Here, what they are saying in the exercise, create TO screen, prepare for total screen, hit enter, copy your or enter to copy your quantity 50 from palletization section to item section. So what we do, so we press enter and it comes here. We don't need to type. So this is the mistake we did last time. Now what is required? You just put these values here 001 and also 001 and here destination bin STBN dash 1 dash 500, my GBI number. Then you have to save it. And see 2151 is my transfer order number. Now the next thing that you have to do, you have to confirm this transfer order number. So how you do that? Confirm transfer order number. Again, you will go back. So the path is quite similar. Confirm transfer order. Let me close this. After put away, there is confirm transfer order. So under confirm transfer order, what you will do, you will click on single document, and under single document you will click in one step. So now what you will do, after going inside, you have to put the transfer order number. It is coming automatically. If not, you will type by yourself. Then make sure warehouse number is 100, and then you will press enter, and this document will open. Now in this document, what you are going to do, just see whatever the data is mentioned over here. Your storage bin is also here, and then you will just confirm by pressing save over here. Save and posting is same, and you can see transfer order number is confirmed. So mainly in this exercise, 3 documents are created, and the rest of the activities related to the exercise you can just go and check. So I'm stopping here for this warehouse management first case. Inshallah, I will come with other 2 warehouse management cases as well. So hopefully you like the video, especially my students. You will do this exercise like the other exercises. You will be having Word file for the steps and activities that you have to perform. So hopefully, inshallah, we will meet again with the new video. And for my viewers, subscribers, you can just, if you are getting benefit out of it, keep remember me in your prayers. So thank you, and bye bye. Allah Hafiz for the next video.